Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, we are in a different room, and this is actually gonna be the baby's room, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. And just love that I have a window and light comes in. Not that much right now because there's no sun, but I want to show you guys the room. So this is the door to the room right here, and I do have a bed in this room because it's also going to be for when family comes over. So this bed is going to be here for now. I really don't mind, to be honest. Then to the left is a closet, and this is going to be the baby's closet. It is a very big closet, like if you really look at it. We have some boxes in here. So this is going to be the closet, and then this is, I guess, here probably going to put the changing stuff, and then the crib probably over here, or the crib here. I have no idea what I'm going to do here. I don't have a lot of space to work with, but I wanted to show you guys some some baby stuff that I've been getting so far, some gifts. So I want to show you guys that. I don't know how the lighting's gonna be, but I want to try to put the camera in a good place. Hopefully it doesn't move that much. Let's see. Alright guys, so I got some things, and I want to show you guys first the clothes. So this I got from my friend Claudia. Look how freaking cute this is. Look at this. It says cute. Haha. So cute. And it brings this one. It also brings this one. And it brings this one. And this is for newborn. So, and it could be for a girl or a boy. It doesn't really have any color. It's just like, you know, neutral. So I like that it's neutral. So you guys can't see me. Oh, let me show you guys my belly. It's getting so big. You kind of see my underwear, but my belly. I don't know if you can see it, but this is how it looks like so far. So this, I'm actually gonna take it out because Josue actually went to go buy something, and he's gonna bring me some hangers. So we're gonna do that. This is so cute. All right, and then more clothes. This one actually bought it myself. I went a little crazy, and I bought an outfit for a boy, and then I bought an outfit for a girl, and I'm like, why did I do that? So I don't know. I'm not gonna take it out of the hangers just in case it's a girl. And see, this is how it looks like. It has more of like colors for boys, so I'm not gonna take it out of the hanger yet. I'm just gonna hang it up just like that, just in case I have a girl and I want to go to Marshall's and exchange it, you know. Oh, this one's so cute. This is my favorite. Like, I went crazy when I bought this. Isn't this like the cutest thing ever? And it brings like a little hat. Oh, I freaking love this. And this is size month 3 to 6, and I bought this at Marshall's, and it was $8, and it's just so cute. But again, I'm not gonna take this off the hanger. I'm just gonna put it straight there. If I need to return it, I will. So I hang it up, and now this box in here. Oh, I also have the little thing that I showed Josue in here too. So go over there. Also got more clothes. Oh my god. And these I actually bought myself, and this is how it looks like, and they're like neutral, so they could be for both. And these are for newborns as well. And then these were $6.99 at Burlington, and I brought this one, be neutral, it could be for both. This one. Then this one with the little bear. Look, it's so cute. And look how small, guys. This is tiny. This is like super tiny. And then this one. It's like the patterns are neutral, so I could put those in hangers because I'm not gonna return them. And then my friend also gave me these little outfits for a girl. Guys, look how cute this is. Look at the fireflies. Look at this. It's so cute. And this one has flowers. So it's just 2 of them. And it looks so cute. Oh my god, this one looks so cute in the summer. So cute. So I put that in the closet. And then any more baby gifts in here? Then my friend also gave me what to expect when you're expecting. So I'm gonna start reading this book now. I didn't want to start reading this book too early because I didn't want to forget anything. But I'm gonna start now, and this is the book. And then I also got another book. I got 2 more books, and these are really, really good. I keep watching videos on YouTube and people keep on talking about it, so I know they're gonna be good. And this is Baby Wise. And then this one is another Baby Wise, but this is number 2. So I'm gonna keep reading those. And then I also got this for Christmas. My friend Anna gave it to me. And look how cute, guys. You put the baby in the blanket, right? And then use these to mark the number of months that they are. I just think that is so adorable. Oh my god, this will be so cute. And also one of my very good friends, actually met her at Bible camp a long time ago, and she actually sent me a gift, and I was like, oh my god, look how cute. Well, let me show you this first. And this is actually a diaper bag, and I actually got so emotional opening the diaper bag because we have a diaper bag, it kind of gets like real. You kind of get like, oh shoot, like I'm not gonna have a purse anymore. This is my purse. So this one is so good, and this is how it looks like. I like that when you open it, the material inside is really good, so it won't let, like, if something falls, like if the milk falls, or like, I don't know, like a juice or lotion, whatever you have in here, if it falls, it won't get like dirty. You just clean it up, like wipe it off. So I don't know what that's called, but that's what it has inside, and it's really, really big, like this. And then something else that I also wanted in a diaper bag is the zipper in the back, because I hate looking through stuff, looking, taking everything out, and I just love that it has like a zipper right here, and you can easily just get stuff that are at the bottom, and you don't have to like take everything out. So I freaking love this bag. So thank you so much. Like, this girl, like, she's literally the best. Like, she's awesome. She's always commenting on my videos. She's like our #1 supporter. So I feel so grateful that she actually went on her way and like sent us something. So thank you so much. And I literally love this. I love the color, the size. Like, I would have bought this, like, to be honest. Like, I love this. And she also sent us this. This is a silicone breast pump right here, and I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's like everywhere. I've been watching, like, I watch like 6 like videos a day about baby stuff. Like, I'm trying to do my registry like little by little, and this is how it looks like. I don't want to touch it too much, but this is how it looks like, and I've been reading so many good reviews about it. And when I opened it and I saw it was this, I was like, oh my goodness, that's crazy. Like, I was literally looking for it to add it to my registry. So when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this is awesome. So that's what I have. And I also got a stroller from my sister-in-law. She actually gave me the one that she used with her daughter like 11 years ago, and it's really, really nice. It's really, really good. So I have to see if it's expired or not. I'm gonna check. And then my friend actually gave me, like, literally before I was even pregnant, like such a long time ago, she gave me a pack and play, and literally it's my favorite color. Like, she gave me that, I think it was like almost, it's about to be 2 years, like a year and a half ago. And I've had it all this time, and now I never even knew when I was gonna be pregnant. So when she gave it to me, I was like, okay, cool, like, I'll take it, of course, you know. And now it's perfect now. Like, now I don't need to buy one. So that's downstairs. And oh, also my friend gave me this 2 sleep sack swaddles, and they're the same color. She just gave me 2 of them because she has 2 boys and her boys are big already. So, and this is actually for newborn, so I might need to get ones for like 3 to 6 months or like bigger. So she gave me 2 of these, so thank you so much, Claudia. And yeah, I got so many gifts already. I'm just like, oh my god, like my gender reveal is in like 6 days, so watch out for that video. But yeah, I'm like I'm so excited to have like baby stuff in here. And although I have a bed, it's not gonna take away from anything because I'm really not like, this is not our house, like we're not gonna live here forever, so I'm not really gonna go super crazy. So I'm just so excited. And all these baby clothes, they're so cute. But yeah, this is what I have so far, and I wanted to show you guys. And yeah, I'll keep showing you guys more baby stuff because you guys keep telling me that you want to see more baby stuff. I am gonna keep doing my beauty videos, but I'm also gonna do this. But I hope you guys don't mind like different kind of videos. So I actually bought this basket a long time ago and I didn't know what to do with it, so I put all the books in here for now, and I put everything in here, and I put this like on top of the closet. And so you guys, I got the hangers and I put the clothes that I have so far in here, and I actually have it color coordinated. And this one actually got a little hole right here when I was opening it, but yeah, I actually put it like color coordinated when it comes to like these, and then I put these on the back. And yeah, I just cannot wait to start decorating the closet. But yeah, I love it. All right guys, so this is a wrap already for this video. I am going to show you guys when I keep filling up the closet, but like right now I have like nothing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Please let me know down below what you guys want to see. And I'm gonna go take a nap because your girl is exhausted. So I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys.